Securing a job today requires navigating a landscape defined by high-speed algorithms. Artificial intelligence in the hiring process is now a baseline requirement. Because remote work and digital platforms make applying easier than ever, application volume has surged. Manual review of every submission is no longer a viable option for hiring teams. This chart shows the immediate consequence of that volume. Out of every 100 resumes submitted, 75 are eliminated before they ever reach a human decision-maker. Only the remaining 25% survive the initial filter. Those rejections are executed by applicant tracking systems, or ATS. These databases scan incoming documents, searching for specific keyword density, exact phrasing, and rigid formatting to score and rank candidates. Recruiters deploy this automation to filter the talent pool at high speed, while applicants still manually type out cover letters and submit static PDFs one at a time. This creates a severe asymmetry in the market. The traditional approach ensures you remain on the wrong side of the filter. Reaching a human hiring manager now requires candidates to adopt their own automation tools to bypass that initial algorithmic wall. The modernized job search begins by moving away from the manual scroll through saturated job boards. Instead of relying on exact match job titles, algorithmic matching tools analyze a candidate's complete profile. They isolate specific competencies and match them to open roles the applicant might have otherwise missed. That optimization extends to professional networks. Generative text tools analyze current recruiter search trends and rewrite profile headlines to trigger the specific algorithms sourcers use to find talent. Before a formal application is ever submitted, automation tools locate verified contact information for hiring managers and generate targeted outreach messages, establishing direct contact outside the formal portal. An AI-optimized document restructures a candidate's core history for the target role. The software identifies critical missing terms, slotting them directly into their work history. It then breaks the document into data fields, perfectly aligning with the database boxes of the applicant tracking system. Complementary tools extract those same data points to draft a targeted cover letter, adapting the candidate's background to match the specific tone and requirements outlined by the employer. None of these tools actually earn the job. Their sole function is to neutralize the automated filter, forcing the application forward to human review. Once the algorithmic filter is cleared, the process shifts to the highly subjective human interview stage. Practicing with a standard chatbot often yields agreeable, positive feedback that fails to prepare a candidate for real scrutiny. Specialized coaching AI, however, is trained by former hiring managers to critically assess the substance of an answer. This radar chart shows how the software evaluates a mock interview. It measures the nonverbal elements of delivery, nervous pacing, the frequency of filler words, and whether the response follows a logical narrative structure. Beyond immediate interview prep, career coaching algorithms map a candidate's existing capabilities against projected industry requirements, identifying precise skill gaps and recommending the certifications needed to close them. By repeatedly facing critical, data-driven feedback, candidates harden their delivery. They enter the unpredictability of a live conversation, equipped with tested, structured responses.
As these tools become standard, hiring teams draw a strict boundary between acceptable enhancement and outright fabrication. Using software to structure true accomplishments is expected. Inventing roles or fabricating metrics crosses into fraud. Extreme automation carries severe consequences. Candidates who deploy auto-apply bots to blindly submit thousands of applications often trigger spam filters, resulting in permanent blacklisting by corporate recruiters. Because generating a perfectly keyword-optimized resume takes only seconds, hiring managers no longer view the document as an accurate measure of a candidate's true talent. Consequently, the evaluation process has shifted. Recruiters place much heavier weight on structured interviews, on technical assessments, and live demonstrations of competency, prioritizing human substance over polished paperwork. The modern job search requires a unified workflow, illustrated by these 5 phases. Candidates research roles, optimize their materials, apply strategically, practice their delivery, and track their applications in a continuous cycle. Artificial intelligence cannot negotiate an offer or demonstrate cultural fit. These systems are strictly a mechanism for preparation and leverage. The ultimate career advantage belongs to applicants who understand exactly what the software can do. By delegating all of the algorithmic hurdles to automation,
they preserve their human energy for the final conversation.